Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes K discussion. Class 9, the topic is social protest movements and the assignment number is 31. Okay, so let us look on the questions. What are the questions given? The new political ideas were pioneered by, because of this new means we here see that political ideas like we don't want this government, we want a new form of government, we want more liberty, we want more equality, like this new kind of political ideas were a part or were started from which revolution means French Revolution is the basic idea from where this new ideology or new political ideology has come into existence. Industrialization meant the loss of secured life and dignified life, because previously the workers, they used to have lots of independence. Like women workers were there. When they were working in the fields, they used to carry their children, they used to make their children to sleep under the trees and they go to the work. Whenever they want relaxation, they will come back to their children. But in the factory system, it was not there. In the factory system, very strict rules were there. From morning 7 to evening 8. Like that, they used to make them to work, and even for toilets also, they were not allowed to go leisurely. They were given 1 minute or 2 minutes time. Within that particular time, they used to come back. So very harsh conditions were there. That is why the workers, they have lost their secured life and also dignified life. Now they have to work as a slave. So secured life was lost, dignified life was lost. Hence we call that as the both A and B is the right option. The emphasis is on dash rather than emotions during the industrialization period, because after the industrialization, actually instead of giving more importance for art or emotions, the people, they started giving importance for science and reason. Science and reason. So what is the reason behind that? Okay, why should we go like this? Suppose previously whenever a function is there, everybody, they used to come and attend that, they used to share the work, and now they started asking why we should go, why we should share, why we have to attend from morning to night, wasting our time. If you work in the industry, we will get 1 day wage. Like that, that means instead of giving importance to the emotions, or instead of giving importance to the living together, they started developing, this has given rise for a reason and science. Okay, so the emphasis is on reason rather than emotions during the industrialization period. Now, human values associated with community life of villages were lost due to which revolution? You know very well that most of the people, they used to live in the villages, they used to have a community life, enjoyed a lot. But now after the industrialization, what happened? The people from villages migrated to the urban areas, which has given rise for the loss of the community life in the villages. So it is all due to the industrialization. It is all due to the industrial revolution. Dash had declared the unauthorized public meeting of 50 persons as illegal in England. You know very well that in England, actually the government has passed several laws which restricted the freedom and enjoyment of the workers. So, especially the Combination Act. The Combination Act, which was passed in England, it restricted that, it banned the association of the people in public places, and also the press equality or press freedom. Like this several, that is why that act is called as the Combination Act. Okay. The import of cheaper food into Britain was prevented by the which laws? The Corn Laws are the most important laws which prevented the import of the cheaper food into Britain. That means in Britain, whatever the food that was produced, they have to buy, but even though it is costlier, they did not allow from other sides, because for example, if you see from America, they can import the corn, which is very cheap, but they did not allow the other countries to import the cheaper food into Britain. So Corn Laws was passed. Corn Law was passed, which prevented the import of the cheaper food into Britain. From 1790 to 1815, what was the situation in Britain? The first one is industrialization took place. Harsh conditions prevailed for the workers. Industrial capitalism developed. Industrial capitalism developed. And most important thing is new machines and technology developed. So that means during these conditions, during 1790 to 1815, mostly industrialization, harsh conditions for the workers, industrial capitalism developed, machines and technology developed, and evacuation of the villages. Most of the villages, they were evacuated, occupied by the towns. Okay, that's all for today, children. Tomorrow we'll meet with one more assignment key. Until then, children, have a nice day. Thank you.